Algebra, formulas, problem solving with formulas and rules. Let's recap. You can use an equation or a graph to find the missing values. Here y equals 2x minus 2. So what's x when y equals 6? Look at the chart and locate y equals 6. Now move across until we hit the line and then move down to find the x value. When y equals 6, x equals 4. So x equals 4. We could also use the equation. 6 equals 2x minus 2. If we add 2 to both sides, we have 8 equals 2x. Now divide both sides by 2 and x equals 4. Sometimes we have to work out the rule or equation from the information that we're given. Find the rule and complete the table. What's the question asking us to do? Find the relationship or rule between the input and the output. Then work out the missing values for A, B, C and D. Let's look at the completed rows to try and find out the rule. The input is 26, the output's 38. The input's 38, the output's 50. So 26 plus 12 equals 38. Does this work for the other row? 38 plus 12 equals 50. Yes, it does. So the rule appears to be input plus 12 equals output. Let's put that into our symbol. So 3 plus 12 equals A. A equals 15. B plus 12 is 24. So B equals 12. C plus 12 equals 52. So C must equal 40. And 100 plus 12 equals D. So D must equal 112. Sometimes we may be given the rule. Identify the variables A and B that make the rule correct. What's the question asking us to do? Use the rule given to find the variables A and B. Let's write out at least 2 rows. So 6 times A plus B equals 14. And 24 times A plus B equals 50. Now let's find B on its own. So B, we need to take away 6 times A from both sides. B equals 14 minus 6 times A. Now we can substitute B into the other equation. So 24 times A plus 14 minus 6 times A equals 50. We can rearrange these, but we need to make sure both sides are balanced. So if we take away 14 from both sides, we have 50 minus 14 equals 24 minus 6 times A. So 18 times A equals 36. If we divide both sides by 18, A equals 2. We can enter A then into one of the equations to work out B. So 6 times A, or 2, plus B equals 14. B equals 14 minus 12. So B also equals 2. A equals 2 and B equals 2. There may be more words involved. Alex is paid commission on the sales he makes at a market stall. If his sales for February are £300, how much commission will he earn? What's the question asking us to do? Use the rule and the information in the question to find the variable C, or the commission. So let's write out the equation. C equals S times 0.15. What do we know from the question? We know his sales are 300, so S equals £300. Enter that value then into the equation to calculate the answer. So his commission, or C, equals 300 multiplied by 0.15. Let's do the multiplication. So first, 300 times 0.05 is 15, and then 300 times 0.1 is 30. If we add these together, we have 45. So C equals 45. Don't forget the units, it's £45. If the question shows the decimal point and the pence, we put the decimal point and the pence in the answer. Remember, you can use the equation or the graph to find the missing values. You can work out rules or equations from a table of information. You can find missing values or variables from equations or rules. Write down what you do know and take it step by step. And you can substitute information from one equation into another if they're related or if they come from the same table of information or chart. But always keep equations balanced. You must do the same to both sides.